Hi guys, how are you all?
Good.
Hi, Miss Priya.
Hi Yukti, hi Ashrita. You're going to wait for a minute, okay? What was the last thing we did in class? What was the last thing we did? We were I don't remember. Fatima.
I
Wait.
think we were doing the denominator as like fractions and rationalizing for exponents.
Yeah. Okay. But did we finish all of it? No, right?
No, I don't think so.
Let me check. See, there is one problem at my end. Okay, I'll switch on the video shortly. But I don't have my laptop and it is wreaking havoc. So hold on. நான் அப்புறமா ஹெல்ப் பண்றேம்மா.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, go ahead.
my internet's been kind of laggy, so is it okay if I switch my video off?
It's okay, ma.
Yeah.
Algebra 2. Mm-hmm. See, 12. Oh my gosh. Okay. So we started 13th module, right? Okay. Can you switch that from this? Okay. So let's go ahead and do a little bit more. We just started with it, right? We didn't do no time. What are they doing in school for Ashrita?
Right now we're doing like expressions with logarithms.
Oh, exponential and logarithmic
Yeah,
equations. Huh? After that, what have they planned, Amma?
I think that's it. I think that's the last thing we're
That's the
doing.
last unit, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, but we need to finish a lot, is what I see, right? It's okay. So,
Okay.
yeah, exponential and logarithm we have not touched. And did they discuss the difference between linear exponential and logarithm, linear exponential and quadratic regression curves?
I think so.
Okay. Okay, meaning given a table, you'll be able to distinguish between linear, quadratic, and exponential curves, huh?
Yeah, I think so. But I don't know if they taught it. They probably did though.
Okay.
I'll also check if we are learning anything after because I think this is the last unit.
Yeah, ma, exponential logarithmic is the last. One second. Switch. Hey, sorry guys. Okay, I just took a little bit of time. Actually, the moment I started the class, the charge was gone, so that was a problem. I didn't see. Okay, let's go back. Let's go back, discuss a little bit of what we did. Let me share my screen. How about this? I just want to be sure we did all of this. And then we go ahead. Sorry. We yeah. How about this? Can we do this problem? Let's see where we are and after that we'll do. How about this? Cube root of x power of 8, y power of 4 divide by cube root of divide by cube root of x square y. Can you simplify this and let me know the answer? Would you simplify this and let me know the answer? Fourth root of 4096 x power of 6 y power of 8. If you don't know, you have to let me know, guys. You do it. If you don't know, then I'll do it.
Miss Priya, it won't let me send you a message.
You have to double click, ma. Double click on my name, it will come.
Okay. Send the first one.
It's Rashita Isa. That seems right to me.
Miss Priya, is that 4096?
The 96 x power of 6 y power of 8.
Okay.
Miss Priya, I'm a bit confused. Could you just go over one of them?
You want me to do it on the board?
Yeah.
See, in a way, this is what I think. See, where if you're not doing algebra 2 at school, you should be doing all the homework, checking what is the next homework. What did we do? All that are you doing?
Yeah. No, I do. I always do solve a few questions. It's just that I can't solve all of them because sometimes they're like too long.
This is not long, right? This unit was very less actually.
Yeah, I'll try and finish some more like after this class and submit it along with next time's homework.
Otherwise, it becomes very difficult, ma. That the x power of 6. So 4, what is that? Ashita, what have you written?
I wrote 1024 x to the power of 6 by 4 y to the power of 2.
Ma, you cannot answer like this, right, ma? 6 by 4 is simplifiable. Something is so messy with your answer
Oh.
there. You see what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
But you are getting it right, but the number is incorrect. I'm going to do it for sure.
Okay.
Yukti, it goes like this: 8 by 3, 4 power of 4 by 3, divide by x power of 2 by 3, y power of 1 by 3. Shri, where is your answer? And I need videos, guys. I'm so sorry to pressurize you on that, meaning to mandate that. Yukti. Or let your mom say, ask your mom to message me that
Okay.
be
Yeah,
without
one
video.
moment.
Shri, I want you on the video. Otherwise, your mom should message me that it's really okay if you're not on the video. No, this is x power of 3 by 3.
Auntie, can you look at my video? This is what happens when I turn on my video.
I don't know. Let your mom come and help you.
Okay.
So y power of 4 by 3 minus y power of 1 by 3, right? So y power of 3 by 3. Huh. Then
Miss Priya, you do x to the power of 8 by 3 minus x to the power of 2 by 3, which gives x to the power of 6 by 3, which is x to the power of 2. And then y, you
1
just
minute. 8
then
minus 4, right? 4. Then 2 by 3 is here. 4
no,
minus
don't you subtract the x's by each other?
Correct, ma. But I did not count the y's. Let me do the y's as well.
Oh, okay.
Whatever you're saying is correct. X power of 4 by 3 up, x power of 2 by 3 down, and then y power of 1 by 3. Now what happens? X power of 4 by 3 minus 2 by 3 I am getting. How did you get x squared, ma?
You do x to the power of 8 by 3 minus x to the power of 2 by 3.
Oh my god. Yes, this is addition, right? So this becomes
Yeah.
12 by 3.
Huh?
12, yeah.
Why
8.
are you adding the x and the y?
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, it's the x and the x.
I'm sorry. Agree. X power of 8 by 3 minus 2 by 3 times y power of, good job, Ashrat. I really like that. By 3. Now x power of 6 by 3, y power of 3 by 3. That gets you to x square y.
Yeah.
If you didn't understand, let me know. The second one seems incorrect. I will do it, okay?
Okay.
096. Yukti, did you understand that?
Yeah, I got the top one.
Power of 6 by 4, y power of 8 by 4. In this scenario, 4096 should be expressed as 2 power, right? That you need to express as prime powers, right? Correct?
Yeah. 1024.
127. Now 127 is a prime number now. 127 is what? 128. 128. 127.
This is
right?
512.
Oh, 512. Oh, Nisham, 257. Correct, Ra. Good
And then
job.
this is 256 on this.
512, 256. So 128, correct. So that becomes 64. Then, oh my God, it's all 2 power 32, 2, 16, 2, 8, 2, 4, 2, 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 2 power of 12, right, ma? So 2
Yeah.
power of 12, whole power of 1 by 4, x power of 3 by 2, y square, right?
Mm-hmm.
Now, this
Then
becomes
it'll be x to
3,
the power 3, and then
what's the further 8, 8,
x power
x,
3 by 2.
then square root of x, y square, right? That's it. That should be the answer.
Oh.
You got it?
Yeah.
Yukti, Manav just joined, Akash just joined. Did you all get it?
Yeah.
Did you understand how this was simplified? Try again. Manav and Akash, you can try. Shri, did you get it?
Yeah, I understood it.
Wait, Miss Priya.
Hmm.
I just had like one more question. When it said I was a bit confused what you did after the step, like, because what I got was 8x to the power of 3 over 2 y to the power of 2.
Mm-hmm.
So what would I do after that? Do I just square root the
Sorry,
x on the side?
Yukti, I did not understand what you were saying. Can you tell me which step?
No, I was just asking, like, where did you get the square root x on the side?
Oh, this one. X power of 3 by 2 can be expressed as x power of 2 by 2 times x power of 1 by 2. This is x root x.
Oh, okay. So you just bought it. Okay.
Wait. That seems incorrect again. Yeah.
Wait.
X, correct.
Okay.
Get it?
Yeah.
Any other questions? Any other questions? No? Okay. I really want to give one more question. If you'll see, guys, only when you do, it drives me more. Okay. When I give you a problem, if there are problems, I feel like, let's do it again. How about this? 4 root 36. 4 root 2 and 6. This is a simple one. Try, guys. 4 root 6. Good, right? I feel driven and move on.
Is the numerator multiplication or addition?
The numerator,
Is it addition or
uh,
multiplication?
is it addition or multiplication? Yes, numerator, see, when you have the same base, different powers, you add the powers. If it's multiplication, if it's division, you subtract the powers. Make sense?
Yeah, but the roots, do we add them or multiply?
You add the powers if it is multiplication. Okay.
No, I'm not asking like if you add them or not.
Sorry.
Like the two terms.
First of all, this is composite number. This is composite number expressed as prime powers. Am I making sense?
Yeah.
If you express as prime powers, some of it will get cancelled. Or you can bring it together under the same radical. You can put it like this as well. There are multiple ways of doing this. I am okay with any way as long as you get your answers. If you want me to do, please let me know. You go.
Miss Priya submitted my answer.
Not really. Yukti, that's incorrect. Shri, that's incorrect. You want me to do it? Let me.
Is it incorrect?
Can you wait a few more minutes? I'm still doing the
Sure. It
Wait,
would
is
be
mine
nice.
incorrect?
Shri, you're almost there with the answer, but somewhere you missed a minor one.
Oh, okay.
Can you check?
Okay, sure.
Mm-hmm. I can do it if you want me to do it on the board. Please let me know.
Miss Priya, I sent my answer.
Okay, something is wrong.
Miss
Manav,
Priya,
where are we, Manav?
I'm kind of stuck. I'm kind of confused. Not sure how to solve.
Miss Priya,
Yes, tell me.
is my answer wrong or?
Your answer is incorrect.
Okay.
Okay, but I can do it, Ma. See, some.
Yeah.
Okay. There is some problem because I'm not getting answers from Akash and Manav. It clearly tells me that you have not understood. See, guys. Okay, if the base is the same, powers are different. If it is multiplication, it's product property, you add the exponents. If it is division with the same base, different exponents, it's m minus n. Okay. If it is power of powers, you just multiply. Always remember, you cannot combine if the bases are different. If you have a composite number as your base, always try to express it as prime power. Okay? Now, that being the case, here, 36, right? Let me write it down. 36, I can write it out as 3 square and then 2 square. 2 and 6, if I prime 5, that's also a composite number, right? So, 2, 54, 2, 27, 3, 9, 3, 3. So, 2 power of 3, 3 power of 3, whole power of 1 by 4. Make sense, guys?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
instead I just did 6 to the power of 2, 6 to the power of 3, and then 6.
Wait, Ma, let's go there. Yeah,
Okay.
I hear you. Okay. I hear you. Hold on. Then you have 3 times 2 power of 1 by 4. Now, Ashwat, I am hearing you. Go ahead. You did what?
I did since it's 4 to the 4
For
root,
3, that is fine. I will
yeah,
do it
6
your
to
way.
the power of 2
There
and
are 100 ways of doing it, so I'll do
Mhm.
your way this time.
yeah.
6 to the power of 2, 6 to the power of 3, divided by 6 to the power of whole power of 1 by 4 when you look
Yeah.
at it, right? Now, see, these two can be added. 6 to the power of 5 by 6 whole power of 1 by 4. So, 6 to the power of 5 minus 1 whole power of 1 by 4, which is 6 to the power of 4 whole power of 1 by 4, which is 6.
Oh.
Easy?
Yeah, I see what I did wrong.
PSAT, you know about PSAT that you all are going to take next year, right? It will involve a lot of problems on all these. You should be very good with rational exponents and radicals. If ever, whenever you're all taking PSAT, right? This is such an important topic. Can I go ahead? Can I go ahead? Meaning, I'm not bothered if I'm not going to finish log, but at least whatever we have done in class, you should be able to reproduce. Can I go ahead?
Yeah.
Let me take some more problems. Manav, you're going to take CBE means Sushank is very ready to talk to you if you want to. Do you want me to connect you with him?
Okay.
You know Sushank? No, he offered. He has offered. I can talk to any person who is going to take CBE and I will provide whatever help I can. He was so nice offering that help. If you want me to, I'll connect you with him.
Okay.
He told- Hmm?
Okay. Okay.
It's left to you, absolutely. There's no pressure. Please don't take it that way. Since he offered, I'm offering it to you. That's it. Okay. Wait, I'm going to give you problems. I'm not happy, honestly, guys. Let me see. I feel like we should do this better. Let's say 61. Yeah, how about this? How about this? Can you solve this one for me? Honestly, for this class, I would not be bothered if I don't cover logs. Whereas whatever we do, we should do it perfectly fine. That's the intent. For the other class, I'll finish. Do this one. See, this is just equating the exponents and finding the value of k. This is a common problem that you get. Akash, what did you think about? What are your thoughts on algebra 2?
I think I can learn it.
Okay, we have to talk sometime, okay?
Okay.
No pressure though. Do you understand? Meaning I'm not asking you to CB or
Yeah.
anything. But if there is potential, I'll definitely talk. When are you getting the results for geometry?
Like 2 weeks.
Okay, let's see. Please keep me posted, okay?
Okay. But should be by 2 weeks, so it could be any day.
Oh, I see. Okay, try this one. If you don't get it, I'll help, but please tell me immediately that you don't understand, which is fine. Shall I solve on the board? That seems right, Shri. I can check. Akash. Akash, it's an equation, Akash. So we should be able to find the
Oh,
value.
solve for
Right.
K. Okay, I thought you
Yeah.
wanted expression.
So basically, 3 power of minus 3k times 3 power of minus k. Please, guys, if you didn't understand, please listen. See, same base, right? It's just the same. The thumb rule is only product rule, quotient rule, and power of powers. So 3 power of minus 3k minus k will be equal to 3 power of minus k. Do you see the base is the same? That's an equation, right? Just equate the powers. What happens when you equate the power minus 3k equal to 0? I'm getting k equal to 0. I don't know. Let's see.
I think that's right because every like exponent.
Yeah, you got k equal to 0. I saw, but I want to confirm. Yes, k equal to 0. Correct. Shri, that was incorrect. Did you see? Akash, did you understand? See, once you
Yeah.
get the hang of it, it's very easy. And the
Oh, I
concept.
forgot to bring the K to the other side.
Oh, you did a mistake there. See, if you bring k to the other side, it will become 0, right, ma?
I did minus 4K equals negative K. So
Did you get it, Yukti?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay, how about this? I don't know whether I want to spend more time here, but I feel like I should. That's why I'm doing. Let's see. How about this? Let me check the answer, Akash. Let me check. That doesn't seem right to me. That doesn't seem right to me, Akash. Okay, Shri, that is correct. Can I help Akash or you want to retry, Akash?
I'll read you.
Yeah, see the minus powers, you know about minus powers, right? A power of minus 1 is 1 by A. 1 by A power of minus 1 is A.
Yeah. I know.
Or A power of minus 2 is 1 by A square. 1 by A power of minus 2 is A square.
Oh, I see what I did wrong. I see what I did.
Yep. Ashita, you're almost there, but your denominator is incorrect. Can you check?
Yeah.
wait, but can't you common base the 125 and 1/5?
Absolutely, ma. You can. Can I do that for you?
That's what I did, yeah.
5 cube power of minus 3n. 5 power of 2n. This is 5 power of minus 2n, right? So when I rewrite it in the numerator, it becomes 5 power of 2n. 5 power of 3. Now 5 power of minus 9n, 5 power of 2n, 5 power of 3. 5 power of minus 7n equal to 5 power of 3. Minus 7n equal to 3n is equal to minus 3 by 7.
Yeah, that's what I did.
Akash, Manav.
Yeah, I was a bit stuck, but I get it now.
Yukti.
I don't know where
Okay.
I went wrong, but yeah,
Oh.
I think I figured it out when you wrote it out on the board.
Should we do more or can I move on, guys? Yeah, leave it. It's not good enough to tell. Tell me, should we do more or can we move on?
We can move on.
Okay, how about the others? Guys, please be interactive. I'm okay with anything. Manav, should we move forward or do you want to do more problems in this?
Can do like one more.
Okay. I'll obey whatever is the most. One more. One more, Ashita, I'll move on.
Yeah, that's fine. Miss Priya, is my answer correct?
Ashita, was this answer for this one?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Really?
No. That's okay, Mao. Here we are coming here to just understand. If you don't make mistakes, you also don't fit into the class. Can I do or should I wait?
I'm almost.
You did it? Okay, let's see.
I'm almost done.
Yeah, yeah. Take your time. I didn't mean to pressurize you. Are you waiting for me to do? Please tell me, guys. Anything is okay for me.
Miss Priya, I changed my answer.
I submitted my answer.
Yeah, that seems correct. Manav and Shri and Ashrita. This makes me happy too. See, when some of you get it, then I can understand that you got it. Akash is gone.
Yeah, I made a silly mistake.
Okay, Yukti, where are you?
I think I kind of got it. Can I just say my answer out?
Yeah, sure.
I got m is equal to -2/11.
Correct.
Oh, okay.
Good job. Can we move on? Yeah, I think see. All of you got it. Now I feel like moving on. Okay. I'll give you homework on this. Okay, you can do it home. Okay. Now let's go ahead and do radical equations. How are we with radical equations? I just want to be sure. If you're given radical equations, you have to check for extraneous solutions. See, here the main problem is do this. How do you solve this? If you're given the equation, solve for x, right? So it's a cubic root, right? Is that okay? It's a cubic root, right? So cube both it's cube root, right? So cube both sides. This is one way of solving it. Do you know the equation a plus b the whole cube? A plus B the whole cube is A cube plus 3A square B plus 3B square A plus B cube. This is, you should know. Okay, A minus B the whole cube is A cube minus 3A square B plus 3AB square minus B cube. So these are things that you should know. So here this is what A, this one, this and this get cancelled, right? Because cube and then power 1 by 3 they get cancelled. X minus 5 will be equal to x cube plus 3 to the 6 x square plus something feels so wrong to me. 3 x plus 2 the whole cube, right? X plus 1 the whole cube. Oh my gosh, please, this is the question. Let me solve the question as is. So 3a square b is 3x square. Then 3b square a will be 3x plus 1. Does that make sense? Then let me move on. Here, x minus 5 equal to x cube plus 3x square plus 3x plus 1. So x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. Oh my God, how are we going to solve this? Let's see. How is it? I don't know. Oh, but I am seeing this. See, do you see grouping can help, I feel. Grouping can help, I feel. X square, I can take it as common. See, x plus 3 is coming out. Do you see it, guys? So this is x square plus 2 and then x plus 3. That will be equal to 0 by 0 product property, x equal to minus 3. This can't be equated to 0 because if you equate it to 0, x square will be equal to minus 2. A square cannot be equal to a negative number. Do you see it? So this you can take it off. X is equal to minus 3. You got it, guys? Radical equation solving. Always based on the radical equation, you'll have to square or square root it. How about this? 2 times x minus 50 whole power of 1 by 3 equal to minus 10. Can we solve this for x? Solve for x. What do? Cube both sides. You need to be careful. You and out. That's
Miss Priya, can I go to the restroom real quick?
yes, ma.
Alright, thank you.
Did you get it? I got only one answer. That seems incorrect, Manav. Manav, are you cubing both sides?
I have a question.
Yeah, please.
So would you first apply the exponent to both of the things in the parentheses?
Don't see, this is cube root, right? There is no
Yeah.
way to solve this but to cube both the sides. You got it?
Oh, okay.
Oh, I think I forgot to cube too.
I know, that's what I thought. That's why I made sure. So 8 times x minus 50 equal to a minus 1000. It's a common mistake because negative when you're cubing, right? What happens? 8, I don't want that. X minus 50 equal to minus 1000 divided by 8, 1, 2, 8 2s are 16, 5. So x will be equal to minus 125 plus 50, which is minus 75. That's it. Venappa. Did you get it? Can I move on? Yes, Mano, I think you got it. Akash, are we clear?
Yeah.
Okay, I feel like I'll give one or two radical equations, guys. Other, what is that? Radical equations. Okay. How about this? A radical, see, one another problem is you'll have to check for extraneous solutions. I want to solve one with an extraneous solution so that we are clear with what is an extraneous solution. Let me see. I just want one at least with extraneous solutions. Always you should check back when there is a radical. I want to make sure what I'm doing is right, right? So, this one is an extraneous solution. I'll do this on the board, okay? So, see this one. See, always for radical equations alone, you have to check for extraneous solutions. I'll tell you why. Let's go back. See, here, when you're solving radical equations, right? Particularly when there is a square root, here there is a cube root, you won't have extraneous solution. The problem is when you have a cube root like this, right? A square root like this, right? The problem is whatever inside, right, can't be a negative number. Sometimes when you get the answer and you plug in back into the equation, let's say minus 75. Now, how to check this? You always do this check, then only it's better. If you want to check this 2 times minus 75 minus 50. Minus 75 minus 50 is what? Minus 125 power of 1 by 3, right? I do that, then this is minus 5 minus 10. That was the given one, right? So whatever answer I got is perfectly right. So I do a check like this. Then I'll know whether I have gotten it right or wrong. Now see this equation. So always when you solve radical equations, you'll have to check it. So see here what happens. There is a square root, right? Square root is my main problem. Square root is the problem where you will have extraneous solutions. Extraneous solutions means when you plug in back, you're not going to get the equation correct. So you will have to invalidate extraneous solutions. It is so important to check for extraneous solutions when there is square root equations involved. So let's see this one. This becomes what? N plus 7 will be equal to square root of 5 minus n. Now square both sides. What happens? N square plus 49 plus 14n will be equal to 5 minus n. Bring the n to the side. N square plus 15n for 5, right? So when you take it off, plus 44 equal to 0. What happens here? 11 and 4. N square plus 11n plus 4n plus 44 equal to 0. N times n plus 11 plus 4 times n plus 11 equal to 0. N is equal to minus 11 minus 4. There are two answers, right? Can I say these answers? No. We'll have to check. So n is equal to minus 11. Let me check. Minus 11 plus 7, the whole, I'm sorry, you'll have to plug it into the original equation, right? N minus square root of 5 minus 7 equal to minus 7. So n is equal to minus 11 means what happens? 5 minus n. Okay. Now minus 5 plus 11. 16 minus 11 minus 4 is minus 15. Do you see, guys? This side is a minus 7 is not equal to a minus 7. This is an extraneous solution. Looks like it. Let's see the other one. Minus 11. What is the other one? 4. Minus 4. N is equal to minus 11. N is equal to minus 4, right? So let's check it out. Minus 4 means minus 4 minus 9. Let's see whether it's equal to minus 7. 3. Minus 4 minus 3 equal to a minus 7. Correct. This one works out correctly. So this is correct. This is an extraneous solution. So the solution to this problem is just n equal to minus 4. 90% at school, they will give you with extraneous solutions only. That time you will have to be careful. You got it? Hmm. Did you get it, guys? Any questions on that? Any questions? Any questions?
No.
Let's see this one. Yet another thing I wanted to talk to you about the same problem. Why did I rub it? Here, one another thing is we need to understand in radical equations, right? Whatever is inside the square root cannot be a negative number. 5 minus n is greater than or equal to 0. What does it mean? When you see this, right? Minus 5 minus n is greater than or equal to minus 5. N is less than or equal to minus 5. Do you see it? Right? N is less than or equal to minus 5. Something feels so wrong to me. Hold on. Yeah, n is less than or equal to minus 5. Something feels wrong. Is it minus 5? 1 minute more. Oh my gosh. Plus 5, right? N is less than or equal to plus 5. Right? See here, minus n, when I switch, right, I'm multiplying by minus 1 on both sides. When I multiply by minus 1 on both sides, this becomes plus 5. So n is less than or equal to 5. Is this working? Is this working? Both are working. You have to check three things. One is you have to make sure whatever is inside the radical is greater than or equal to 0. Second thing is plug in back and check whether you have extraneous roots. Coming to our solution, n is equal to minus 11, n is equal to 4, it works perfectly. Both obey this restriction, n is less than or equal to 5. Great. After that, you put it back into the equation and see, you are getting one as an extraneous solution, the other one as a valid solution. So this one was an extraneous, this one was a valid solution. This one was extraneous. So you conclude that this is an extraneous solution. Which one? N is equal to minus 11 is extraneous. N is equal to minus 4 is the original solution. Any questions? Any questions on that? Guys,
No.
let's see. Let's do one more. How about this? I really would like you to check for extraneous roots here as well. The problem is, I need a little bit bigger. Oh, wow. Okay, how about this? So try this one. I really want you to do 3 things here. One is, whatever is inside the radical should be greater than or equal to 0. That's the first check. Based on that, are you getting the value of x? First check. And after that, getting values of x, maybe you'll get 2 values, then you'll have to plug it in back into the original equation. Make sure the equation is right. If you're not getting equation right, it's an extraneous solution. Ashrita, are you listening?
Yeah.
Okay. So can we try this? Let me know, guys. If you need help, I'll help. You're going to bring, see, the radical alone, you'll have to isolate it on one side. After you isolate, then you have to remove the square root, right? For that, you would square both sides. But before all this, make sure first find out the restrictions. First find out the restriction. Then move the radical to one side, square both sides, find out the value of x. Now make sure it obeys the restriction. After that, after finding the values of x, plug in back, check for extraneous solutions. Let me know, guys. Can I do it on the board? If you want me to, you have to let me know.
Miss Priya, can you do it on the board?
Yes, ma, absolutely. Yes, Akash, tell me. Akash, tell me.
I'm
Akash.
telling you in chat.
Oh, yes. Okay, here. What do I do? I need to isolate this, right? If I do this and this will get cancelled. X will be equal to subtract 6, subtract 6. So x minus 6. Oh, is it now, Akash?
Yeah.
Manav, I have sent you a message from Akash. So x minus 6. X minus 6 will be equal to square root of 2x plus 3. Now square both sides. X minus 6 will be equal to x minus 6 the whole square will be equal to 2x plus 3. Now after that x square, this is a square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Before that I forgot something, but let me come back. Minus 2x, x square minus 14x minus 3 plus 33 equal to 0. I get 11 and 3, but let me see. 11 and 3, right? Let me continue here. Now solving radical equations is again important. X minus 11 and then a minus 3. X minus 11 equal to 0. X equal to 3. X equal to 11. I have two solutions. Okay, wait. Oh, you found out. Nice, Manav. Okay, now first let me find out the restrictions. I told you, right? First I need to find out restriction. If it's radical, particularly square root, you will have to find restrictions. 2x plus 3 is greater than or equal to 0. Subtract 3, subtract 3. 2x is greater than or equal to minus 3. X is greater than or equal to minus 3 by 2. This is my restriction. Both are obeying. Now, come to checking for extraneous solutions. X equal to 3, x equal to 11. I'm going to put it back into my equation. What equation? 3 minus 6 plus 3. 3 minus square root of 9. See, you're getting a 0. But the right hand side is 6. That's incorrect. So this equation seems extraneous. Whereas x equal to 11, 11 minus 25. So 11 minus 5 is a 6 equal to 6. So this seems a valid solution. So basically x equal to 11 is valid. So the solution to this entire problem is just x equal to 11. Any questions, guys? So this is important. First, you have to find out the restrictions, then find out for extraneous solutions. So we have found that this is an extraneous solution. This is a valid solution. Any questions? Yukti, are you following?
Yeah, I saw what I did wrong. I put like no solutions because I accidentally added the 2x. So I
Oh.
got x squared minus 10x plus 33.
But did you get that?
Yeah, I understood it now. Yeah.
Okay. Next week, then we'll start April. Huh? Yeah. Yeah, we will cover what much we can. We'll definitely cover. Okay. Okay, let's see. 1 minute. Let me just check. Come on. Okay, how about this? I'm going to solve one more. Let's see. I don't want to give you mean problems. Okay, some are mean, really hard ones are there. But let me check. Do you think, yeah, do you think you can solve this one? It's an easy one, but I'll get to know whether you know. How about this? Harder mean problems are there in this. I don't think you should do. That's fine. Try this one. It's a little different when you think about it. It's a little different. X plus 7 equal to square root of x plus 1. Can we try that one? Next week, we'll get to exponential equations, exponential functions. I thought we can get to it this week, but that's okay.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma, go ahead.
I'm a bit confused on this one. Can I tell you to what step I got until?
Yes, absolutely, I'll help you, ma.
Yeah, so first I squared both sides.
Right, but let me. You know what? Oh, you squared both sides, huh? Okay. That yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah,
You're
so
ending up with radicals.
sorry?
Yeah. You will end up with radicals, right? Let's square both sides.
Yeah, I just wanted to get rid of both of the radicals. I don't know if that was right to do. And then I got x plus 7 is equal to x plus 1.
Yeah, that's what I also got.
Yeah, and then I got kind of
Yeah,
stuck.
X
Was
plus
it just
7,
not
how,
solution?
ma? How, guys?
Isn't it x plus root 2 root x plus 1?
X, yeah, x plus
Root 2x.
2 root
I mean
2
2 root x
2 root x plus
plus 1.
1, right?
Yeah.
Now x and x will get cancelled. Then 6 will be equal to 2 root x. Root x will be equal to 3. Do you see, guys?
Oh, so you had to multiply the square root x plus 1 times itself?
Yeah, this is a plus b the whole square, right?
Oh, okay, I see.
Got it? A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Oh, okay.
Got it?
Yeah.
X equal to 9. 9, so 9 plus 7 will be
Wait, I
equal
thought there was no solution, but I think that's wrong though.
it has a solution, I'm saying. See, I'm checking for extraneous solutions here. So square, this is 4, right? Will be equal to 4. Yeah, this is not, this is a valid solution. Got it?
Yeah.
Yeah,
But
these are,
I only did square to just root x and 1. And then I just went from there. I forgot to do like
tell me, Mano, I didn't get you. What is it?
I forgot to do root x plus 1 times root x plus 1. I just did root x squared and 1 squared. That's it.
I see. I see. You need to be careful. Okay, okay. See, everybody makes the same mistake. I think that a plus b the whole square threw you off, I think, right?
Yeah.
Okay, anyway, I'll give you see for this week, right? Whether I say it or not, please do this module 13.123, all the homework and practice problems you will have to do from the book. All the homework the module 12. 12.1, 12.2, 12.3 homework and practice problems from the book. Other than that, I'll send the homework as well. Akash, that's right, Akash. Can we stop here? Only radicals
Yeah.
and equations we did. Next week we'll do exponential equations. We have time, but still I will finish it towards the end, I feel. We have time though. Okay. Okay, guys. We'll do it slowly but nicely. See you all next week.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma'am.
I just had a question. When would we do matrices? Are we gonna do matrices?
Oh, there are some topics that we left, right?
Yeah, no, I was just curious because I had seen that that was part of the curriculum.
Yes, it's a part of curriculum. You remember there was some a chunk that I left and I needed to go back, right?
Yeah, yeah.
In that chunk only the matrices are there actually. 3 variable, 3 equations, right?
Yeah.
We'll do. Maybe then I'll push exponential and logarithmic equations towards the last 3 weeks. So we will do that. Let me see, ma. Good, nice of you, Yukti.
Yeah, I did. I just wanted to
Yeah,
check.
when you come in, just remind me again.
Okay. Yeah,
Without failing.
I'll remind you.
I feel like I'll have to look through what I am yet to cover for you guys. I feel there was a chunk that I did not. So we'll do.
Can I have
Okay.
Yep. Akash, yes, Akash. Thank you,
can I have
Akash.
the classroom link?
I saw. Yes, ma. See,
Okay,
I
thank you, Miss Priya.
forget Akash. Yeah, it's nice that you're asking. I'll give it to you, Akash, now itself. You're able to follow, right, Akash?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My teacher already kind of taught us all this.
Oh, which teacher?
It's just a bit harder.
Oh, I see. In geometry?
In geometry, no, in algebra.
Oh, in algebra. Oh, yeah. See, algebra, yes, this comes, but algebra 2, it goes up. The intensity goes
Wait,
up.
is this what algebra 2 is? The, these
Yeah.
concepts?
Yeah, these are in
Yeah,
algebra.
yeah.
Correct.
We're starting this in school.
I see. Good for you. Good for you.
Okay.
But
Bye.
we'll talk, Akash, if you really want to see B.
Okay.
Okay, like last time, right?
Yeah.
Whenever you get the results, please ping me, Akash. I am
Okay.
so curious to know.
Okay. Bye.
Okay, bye. Bye. Hi, guys. How are y'all? 1 second, ma. Give me 1 minute.